Hello, welcome to your third at-home art class. I've been doing a lot of thinking about what to do next, and I realized that we don't all have the same materials at home. Some of us might have markers, others don't have markers, but we have crayons. Some people have paint, some people don't. And I thought, let's use something everyone has. Laundry. Laundry is one thing that we all have. Doesn't matter if it's clean or dirty. Just go ahead and grab your laundry. That's right, we're using laundry to make art today. Step number 1 is going to be to just sort your laundry by color. Okay. All my clothes are sorted. So I have blacks and blues, got some greens, rainbow colored, some pinks, reds, purples, yellows, whites, tans, grays. Got it all sorted. Today, your challenge is to make a landscape out of your laundry. So I want you to remember there's those 3 layers to a landscape. So think about all the way in the background. I'll put the sky. That works really well for a sky. There's my sky. And way far in the background, my landscape is going to have a mountain. Let's see if I can fold this. Don't want it to be super pointy because that's not really what mountains look like. Oh, maybe if I bunch it up, it'll look like it's a bunch of rocks. Put that up there. And it's over my sky because it's a little bit closer. I don't want one mountain, I want to do another. Let me crawl over to my gray pile. See if I can make this into a mountain shape. Let's see here. Ooh, that works. There we go. And I want them to overlap so that it shows that there's space in between. Okay, now I have my background. think about what might come next. Middle ground. So in front of my mountains, I'm going to make a nice green field. This kind of looks like a grass color. There we go. Here is my field of grass. That is my middle ground. Now closer to me is the foreground. So maybe I have some more green grass. Guess I like this color. I have a few different things. It's going to be smoother green grass. Now in my foreground, I want to add something. What do I have here? I have this brown washcloth. If I fold it up, kind of looks like it could be a big tree trunk. Now I need something green for my leaves on my tree. We're gonna make it a really big tree. So I'm just gonna bunch up this green shirt. I want it to look all lumpy like a whole bunch of leaves. Perfect. Huh, now I have all my layers. I'm just going to stand back and see what I think. Sometimes on a second look, I find something else I'd like to include. Okay, I want to add some clouds. So let's see what I have in my white pile. That's small enough for cloud. Ooh, I have a whole stack of white socks. Let's see, oh, I have one gray one in there. Well, I could have a bit of a storm cloud. I want to bunch it up. I don't want it to really look like a socks laying there. From a distance, it should just look like colors. Yeah. Gray cloud. Maybe that's over here, way in the distance. Sometimes there's lots of clouds around mountains in the distance. Sometimes they're even overlapping the clouds a little, or the mountains a little bit. Is that enough clouds? I don't want to put too many clouds. Well, I think I'm done. I can't wait to see what kind of landscapes you make with your laundry. Please don't forget to send me a picture. I really want to see what you're making, and I haven't gotten that many so far. Have fun creating. Don't forget to pick up the laundry when you're done. Don't leave your laundry all over the floor. Pretty, please.